Welcome back, dear students. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction to EVM. So you know what is EVM, an example of EVM, and at the end of this video, there's an exercise for you. Please take the exercise serious. Like I used to say, the exercise is to help you personally. You can just watch me. There are some video I may code with you. There are some I just show you the code and explain it for you. But you need to take time to pause the video, type those code. Just type it. Don't forget about I've shown it for you or I don't even type it. Pause the video, type the code out yourself. Type the code out yourself. By typing it out, that's when you will realize simple errors and begin to master them. You don't learn programming, any programming language, you can't learn it just by watching courses or tutorials. No matter how expensive or free the course may be, I tell you, until you start coding yourself, you have not started and you are doing yourself. So you don't watch videos, tutorials, courses, and then jump out and say you're already a programmer. You have to sit down and write those codes. So ensure you do that to help yourself. And at the same time, this also help other students that will be coming after you, because there will be more resources also for them to explore and learn more. You get what I'm saying? So we are building a huge community of Web3 programmer and developer, that blockchain, technology, and anything Web3 that decentralize what the centralized Web2 used to be. You get what I'm saying? So you want to keep that in mind. Now, at the same time, don't forget, each time you also interact on the forum, you also have the opportunity to earn some of our token, which we call the Bitcoin of programmers. So you don't want to miss it, especially in the early days where there will be a lot more for every little contribution you do. That will not be for more. The more this platform grows, the lesser the reward becomes. So you should know that already. You don't want to miss the opportunity. So especially if you are the first set of students watching this course or taking this course. So now, what is EVM? EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. Now, when Bitcoin was the first blockchain, started in 2009, in 2015 came Ethereum after Vitalik Buterin make a proposal to Bitcoin blockchain programmers that let's try to add a piece of code that does not just do transaction on Bitcoin, but gives people to start building and talking to the blockchain in different other niches, which, you get what I'm saying, but it wasn't accepted. Like, they don't want it to be bogged down. Eventually, I think they are young and they are right. They are young, right, in the aspect of the fact that eventually Ethereum become bogged down. As I'm talking to you now, Ethereum is too slow and cost much in transaction fee. So because of those smart contracts and activities and things like that. So, but Ethereum 2.0 is coming to solve that. So I don't know when you're watching this video. I think I record this video October 16th, 2021. So you may be watching 2022, 2025, 2030. You get what I'm saying? Probably would have updated it by then, by 2030. But at least as of now, you need to understand it straight that this video, Bitcoin blockchain then didn't allow it, but eventually we scale, because if Web3 blockchain and things like that didn't allow smart contracts, I tell you, then there will be less use case and then there won't be mass adoption. So 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum started, and for smart contract to be included in blockchain, they invented something called Ethereum Virtual Machine, just like Java Virtual Machine that allow you to run Java program and language in, you get things like that, application. So you need to write in Solidity. I've discussed that before in previous video. So you need to write Solidity in Solidity, and then because Solidity is an high-level object-oriented language, it needed to be compiled into bytes, which is zeros, ones that computer CPU can, process easily. So there is something between Solidity and the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM blockchain that we'll still discuss, which is called the EVM. It takes the high-level language, which you and I can write like you are writing English, you get what I'm saying, and then break it down into 0101, which you and I cannot write, and will take years for us to write that to the computer. You get what I'm saying? So breaks it down and pass it to work with the Ethereum blockchain. You get what I'm saying? So that's what EVM is about. Then, because Ethereum is now an open source, decentralized, a lot of other people have forked that source code. You also can do that, but that's far from where you are now, and I don't even advise it except you really have a solid project to sustain the blockchain, because building node and all those things require resources. So, and you don't want to build a blockchain that only you is running. You want it decentralized. So that's why it's better you use established platform like that. So, but it's a free decentralized Web3 world. You can. So they fork it like Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, I think Avalanche. You get things like that. So all these things, then there are a lot of blockchains like that fork part of those. Some fork part fork old, then they now add adjustment. Like now Binance Smart Chain, at the peak of Ethereum transaction fee getting high, people cannot interact with DeFi, with NFT, with a lot of things because of cost. Then Binance, forked and make theirs cheaper. So transaction fee is cheaper. You get my point? So out of the point in time that I'm talking, maybe our token will even be on Binance chain. So naturally, I would have put it on Ethereum, but the cost is unrealistic for us, especially you that will be aiming it to mint it or withdraw it and things like that. So it's not realistic. Maybe in Ethereum 2.0, but Binance Smart Chain, I think they have proven themselves so far, and maybe other blockchain like Phantom and things like that. But you get what I'm saying, because of the fee and things like that. So these people make use of EVM, which means the advantage of it is that anything you build with Solidity, anything you learn in this course, it's not just for Ethereum. So that's why I'm not saying Ethereum or something, because it goes beyond Ethereum now. There are a lot of other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain that are already getting established that uses EVM. Other ones coming up now, Phantom. You get what I'm saying? Phantom has also integrated EVM, though they are planning to also build their own, I think, FVM, Phantom virtual machine, maybe to scale and things like that. But as of now, and I want to believe that by the time they do that, they won't want to dash out EVM. They will just build on that code base. So because now you can also deploy your program that you write in Solidity on Ethereum, on Binance Smart Chain, on Polygon, on Arbitrum. All those ones are like layer 2 on Ethereum and get things like that. Avalanche. Then Phantom is another blockchain just like Binance Smart Chain on its own, but also have EVM. So there are other ones there as well that to take on EVM. So you want to learn about them. So, and that now moves us to the exercise. So we are trying to create full list of EVM blockchains out there to help create more robust resources for this course. So you can check them, but before you check them out, I want you to go out there, Google, do research, try to know how many EVM blockchains are out there at the time you'll be watching this 2021. By the time you'll be watching 2022, 2025, 2050, I don't know, there will probably be more. You get what I'm saying? So I want us to be tracking them, so it will be useful for you and I and the Web3 developer community worldwide online. You get what I'm saying? So what we need to do in that exercise, as I think I've also had the text, is simple. You just need to, track, research the EVM blockchain out there to expand your knowledge. That's number one. Always do these things. You are undoing yourself, not me. If I don't know it, when I was taking, I paid for these courses. This knowledge I acquired, paid each for them to learn from the best brains in this field. You get what I'm saying? So if you now even get this free, and you don't, when I now use the opportunity to learn and practice, it's left for you. So research it. Then 2, check the forum that the list will be in the description of this video for that full list of EVM blockchain out there. The third thing you want to do there with that list, which is your own exercise, is post maximum of 1 EVM blockchain that's not been listed yet in the forum. You get it, to be in the link. So post just 1. The reason is that I want a lot of people to participate. So for now, I think we already have like 5, 7 or so. So that's like 7 students contributing instead of 1 person. So that makes it inclusive. And remember, per contribution, once your contribution is approved, you also earn token. So a lot of benefit on this platform for you. You are earning, you are learning. You are also building a better future for you, for yourself. So programming Web3, imagine opportunities it will open up for you, how it will better your life, your finance, your family, your future, your earning capacity. You get things like that. So, and your career path, and especially entrepreneur. I'm majorly building entrepreneur programmer on this platform, but every of our knowledge is available for you, even to get jobs. So you are welcome to get job and things like that. So take this serious. Post just 1. If you post more, it will be deleted. And remember, if your posts are deleted on that forum, you will also lose your token, some token. So you don't want to do that. So post just 1, and imagine more students, and we have 10, 15, 20, you get things like that. So we help grow the list. So that's it. That's where I end this video. We have discussed about what is EVM and list of currently available EVM we've discussed, and we are creating a list on the forum. You can add to it. So that's it. I will see you in the next section of this smart contract development with Solidity for beginners. So you have seen it now that this course is not just for Ethereum. That's why I didn't say as long as it's EVM, or there may also be other virtual machine later on. As long as they can run Solidity, this knowledge will be useful for you. So that's it. Take care. I remain Solomon Foske. Welcome to Programming FAQ platform, and keep the programming spirit and alive. See you in next section of the course. Bye for now.